Okay, greetings to you students. Let's solve the questions on Strand 1, Basic Mathematics. Number 1, it says when simplified, 4 cubed to the power of 2 is equal to. So you can see it has got double power, 4 to the power of 3, then to the power of 2. What are you going to do when you have questions like this? Class? Yes, what you can do, you have to multiply the two powers. 3 to 6. So 4 to the power of 6 is the answer. Number 2, it says there the expression log 10 minus log 5 can be simplified to. Now this is a very easy question. Log 10 minus log 5. So when you are subtracting, I hope you can still recall the rules that we have learned. If you recall, we have learned that log a minus log b is equals to log of a over b. Remember that. So if we have log 10 minus log 5, we can write this as log of what? 10 over 5, a over b. Okay, so log 2 is the answer. Number 3, 2 plus 3 in modulo 4 is equal to. Now first of all you need to add 2 plus 3, which is 5. So in simple terms it is asking you 5 in modulo 4 is equal to. So very simple. 4 goes in 5 how many times? 1. 1 fours 4. So what's the remainder? Remainder would be 1. You can see it here. Number 3. See, 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 divided by 4 is 1 and the remainder is also 1. Right? Look at number 4. Okay, let's look at number 4. Sally purchased a laptop on hire purchase. So this is a laptop Sally has bought. Now she paid $100 deposit and 24 monthly payments of $30. So she pays $100 deposit and on top of that she is paying 24 monthly payments, $30 a month. So calculate the total amount she paid for the laptop. So what's the total amount Sally is paying? The total amount that Sally will be paying will be equal to the deposit plus the total monthly installment. Okay, deposit was $100 plus monthly installment would be what? How many months? 24 months. Multiply by how many dollars she is paying for a month? $30. So $30 times 24 months and then plus 100. Right? You will get the total amount of $820. Number 5. Number 5, it says there simplify 6 over root 7 plus 1 by rationalizing the denominator. I hope you can recall what does rationalizing the denominator mean. Right? You have to multiply this with the conjugate. Right? Root 7 plus 1. What's the conjugate of this? Root 7 minus 1. So let's see how it's done. Here. Right? So 6 divided by root 7 plus 1 is equals to, what do you do? 6 divided by root 7 plus 1 times the conjugate of the denominator. That will be times what? Root 7 minus 1 divided by root 7 minus 1. Okay. Now what you do? You multiply the two numerators. 6 multiply by what? 6 multiply by root 7 minus 1. So it's written here. 6 multiply by root 7 minus 1 in the bracket. Divide by. Now what is this if you multiply these two denominators? Root 7 plus 1 with root 7 minus 1. I hope you can recall this formula. Okay, a minus b times a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. I hope you can recall. So if you multiply the two denominators, you will get root 7 square minus 1 square. Okay, so the numerator comes down here as it is. Now if you solve the denominator, it will be 6. Okay, and then what happens? 6 can cancel. Your final answer will be root 7 minus 1. Okay. Number 6 is here. Simplify 25 to the power of x minus 1 divided by 5 to the power of x. Now what you are going to do here? You have to see the base. The base here is 5. The base here is 25. You can't solve. So let's see if we can make the base same. right? What we are doing here? Let's see what we are doing. Now 25 can be written as 5 square. Okay, 5 square 25. So 25 we are writing 5 square in bracket x minus 1 divide by 5 to the power of x. Now you open the bracket, right? Expand this, expand the powers, right? 5 to the power of what? 2 times x and 2 times negative 1. 2x minus 2. 5 to the power of 2x minus 2, whole thing divided by 5 to the power of x. Okay, now the base is same. You are dividing, remember, you are dividing, the base is same, 5, 5. You subtract the powers then. Okay, so 5 to the power of 2x minus 2 minus x, this x here, minus x, which will be equals to 5 to the power of, what is 2x minus x? 2x minus x would be x. So 5 to the power of x minus 2. Okay, number 7. Number 7 is here. That's the last one for today, right? Show that the operation table for the set 0, 1, 2 and the operation that star is given here as this operation represents a group. Now, if you want to verify, you want to check that this set, this table is a group. The set 0, 1, 2 is a group. You have to satisfy 4 conditions, right? Let's see those 4 conditions. Here are the 4 conditions. Let's see if we can see that it has the 4 condition. First condition is that the set is, it says closure. Another one says unique identity element, unique inverse, and it is associative. Closure. That means if you look at this table, is there any outside element, foreign element apart from 0, 1, 2? Is there any other element here apart from that? No. So the set is closed. That's the first one. Second one, unique identity. Let's see if it has the identity. Okay, let's see whether 0, 1, 2 repeat itself horizontally as well as vertically. Let's see. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. It repeats here, this line. Check vertically. 0, 1, 2. So it's repeat here. So this is the 0. Okay. So the identity element is 0. It has the identity element. Third one, unique inverse. Let's see if all elements have inverse. Remember, identity element is 0. So inverse of 0, go this way, 0, 0, it's 0. Inverse of 1, 1, go up to the identity element 0, up, 2. So inverse of 1 is 2. Okay. Inverse of 2, 0, 1. Okay. So that's very simple. We have found the inverse. Inverse of each element. Inverse of element 0 is 0. Inverse of 1 is 2. Inverse of 2 is 1. So we have done that. Okay. And we have to check whether the operation is associative. So you can take any 3 numbers. We can say 0 operated with 1, then operated with 2. And here, here you can say 1 operated with 2 first, then 0 operated with the answer. Okay, what is 0 operated with 1? This one. 0 operated with 1 would be 0 operated with 1. It's 1. It's 1. Okay, it's 1. So 0 operated with 1 is 1. Right. Now this answer 1 operated with 2. 1 operated with 2. Let's see. 1 operated with 2. It will be 0. So 0 is the answer on the left side. Okay. 0 is the answer on the left side. Let's check the right side. So 0, put the 0 down. 0 operated with. Now what is 1 operated with 2? We have done it here already here. 1 operated with 2 is 0. We know that. So 1 operated with 2 is 0. What is 0 operated with 0? 0 operated with 0 would be here. 0 operated with 0. Answer is 0. Okay. So 0. So you can see the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the set is associative. Okay. It fulfills all the 4 conditions. So it is a group. Okay. So that brings us to the end of the lesson. Remember, all these 7 questions were on Strain 1 Basic Mathematics. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson, and we'll be back soon with Strain 2. Thank you.